Welcome back, Investomaniacs. This is your flash briefing on Micron. So Micron is a data storage and memory manufacturer, and like a lot of other tech companies, they've been hard at work developing some pretty impressive technology. So last week, the company announced the launch of the 16 gigabyte LPDDR4X, which is currently named as the industry leader in low power high speed DRAM. The LPDDR4X will be a vital gateway for Micron to spread its services into the 5G mobile network. And this also comes at a really good time for Micron, considering the company has been suffering lately due to an overall downturn in the memory market, which has been made increasingly worse by the trade wars. So if you take a look, 50% of Micron's revenue comes from China, and 13% of its revenue comes from Huawei, which is a Chinese multinational tech company Trump placed a commerce ban on earlier this year. So it would be hard to argue that these trade wars have been anything but negative for Micron, but the true long-term effects are really still up in the air. That being said, analysts are still generally optimistic for Micron. Demand and supply balances in the memory sector are expected to improve. And like a lot of other tech companies, Micron has its toes dipped in many different forward-thinking areas like AI. So long-term growth looks really promising, and the general demand for memory certainly isn't going anywhere. But while the trade war continues, it'll be worth keeping a steady eye on the short-term performance of this well-run but very fragile company. Well, my name is Kitty, and that's been your flash briefing on Micron. Please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe and check back often where I read the news so you don't have to. Peace.